So I recently did this class on water and I learned about Adya Minerals. They help remove 250 plus contaminants out of your water and help to mineralize your water so that it's structured better and it's more hydrating and available for your body to benefit from. So you put 1 teaspoon in a gallon of water, and you could even use these like if you're hiking or camping, and you put the teaspoon in and all the gunk per se will sort of settle to the bottom. um, but in your home, if you can filter the water first and then use the minerals, that's the most ideal. So I just put my first teaspoon in a gallon of water. I'm just going to do an experiment to see if there's anything that settles to the bottom. So I'm happy to report back on the minerals, and if anyone is interested in learning about them, please reach out, and I'll have to report back how it goes.